What's up, what's happening, people? It's your boy Tree. Welcome back to the Tree House. So today is the big day. We are going to find out if one of us is going to be mad for a few hours. Alright, let's ask the dogs. Let's see what they get. You want a little brother or a little sister? You want a little brother. Is that what you want? Luna, do you want a little brother or a little sister? Or wants a little sister? Samson, do him wants a little brother? Or his little sister? Or do you just want to rub against that? So, the Facebook poll that I put a week ago, the results are in, and 141 for boy and 186 for girl. So if it's a girl, over half of you guys are right. If it's a boy, then I was right. Alright guys, this is before we go. Caitlin, what's your prediction?
It's probably a boy.
No, I don't care what it probably is. What do you think it is?
No, I think it's a boy. That's what I'm saying. I think it's a boy.
She's lying like hell.
I do not. I'm not lying.
What do you want it to be?
I'm fine with either one. I legitimately think it's a boy.
What do you want it to be?
I want both.
You can't want both.
I want one of each, so yes, I can.
What do you think this one is?
I think it's a boy.
What do you want it to be?
It's still a boy. You just want to argue with me.
What do you
I think it's a boy, and I'm fine with a boy.
She's lying. She wants a girl.
Okay. I only say girl to pick on you because I know you'd rather have a boy.
She's lying. I think it's a boy. I hope it's a boy. Someone's spending forever on her makeup.
For somebody who wants me to do my makeup, you should probably pick on me about it.
I do what I want. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? What do you think?
I'm gonna say a girl.
What is up with you guys thinking I'm gonna have a girl, man? Yeah.
She's a boy.
Little boy!
Little boy! I told you! I was right, I knew it! He wants a boy so bad, and I've been teasing him, telling him we're gonna have a girl, but this whole time I've been like, it's a boy.
Oh, I love it! I don't know the boy.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's a little boy!
It's a girl.
No, it's a boy.
You know what? You're gonna have a girl, so.
Well, you're wrong, because it's a little boy.
Oh God, was there Jay?
Well, you're right, it is a boy. Look at her face.
I still think it's a girl.
She's so confused. She's like, where did it go?
Go get it. Alright guys, so trying to do that was an absolute disaster.
Listen, we tried.
Oh my.
No, we get points for trying.
It was an absolute disaster. First thing, it was muddy, cold outside. Second of all, the dogs wouldn't stay still. Third thing, balloons wrapped around each other.
The balloons didn't even, first of all, the balloons were not wrapped around each other. They were knotted.
Balloons were all knotted up.
They didn't even come off the first time.
Yeah, we did that one shot twice because they wouldn't. The balloons wouldn't come off, or like the balloons would not do anything. I don't know.
Oh no! Why? No!
Surprise.
No.
But I'm gonna edit this video now, so.
Luna, stay.
If you guys can't tell, I have blue all over my face because the wind. That was the other thing. The wind was ridiculous. I dropped my camera. There's little scratches on the.
I saved it on the first try.
The lens. It's just bad. You know. Like it wouldn't be It wouldn't be Jay and Caitlin if it went smoothly.
On the first try when it almost fell, I caught it, okay? I just want to say for somebody who has absolutely no athletic ability. That was impressive.
Oh, I hope you guys liked watching this ridiculousness that we have.
I just want one person to like it.
Just one person like this, because this was a pain. I had this big vision in my head. None of it worked at all. 0 point none of it worked in the slightest. But I hope you guys all like this video. We had semi-fun doing it. We are having a little baby boy Roundtree. We have already came out with the name. I'll tell you in a later date. Should we tell him the name?
What?
Should we tell him the name?
No, it should be a secret.
Alright, well it'll be a secret, at least for a little bit later. But, have a great rest of the day, guys. Make today amazing. Make tomorrow amazing, make the next day amazing, make every day amazing. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit the subscribe button. The like button. Tell me what you thought of this video. Look, I got it all over my hands too. Have a great rest of the day, guys. Peace.